There are a plethora of wireless earbuds on the market these days, and it's getting a lot harder to really find some that shine amongst the crowd. But we found one, and they're called the Aukey Key Series EP-T18NCs. Now you've got your mega expensive 250 plus Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2s, or your Apple AirPod Pros, right down to the knockoff brands like the i100 TWS at all I can describe them as cheap that we've reviewed before, and there are a lot of headphones in between. But coming in at around $150, what makes the Aukey's Key Series earbuds so special? Well, Aukey have decided to go with a stem design, which definitely stands out from the crowd of the many teardrop styles you can find, but they very much resemble the style of the Apple AirPods. There are multiple buds supplied, and I must admit I stuck with the larger earbuds that come pre-installed, but inside the box you will find a medium and a small size, and of course all sizes are subject to your ears. Do test them out to find the right fit for you. And this is important not just for keeping the earbuds in your ears when you're on the move, but for noise isolation as well. Now, for the most part, the headphones are very comfortable to wear, which is a little perplexing as the earbuds themselves do feel a little heavier to hold in the hand compared to others we've tested in the past. They're covered in a smooth to touch plastic and have an IPX6 rating, which means that they will survive in the rain, in a storm, or even sweat from workouts. The logo on each earbud doubles up as touch controls, which fall in line with the kind of standard you see now. One touch will answer your call or play and pause your music, while 2 taps skip whichever track you're on, and 3 taps on either earbud will activate your noise assistant on your phone. Now, if you hold a finger down for several seconds on either earbud, it will activate the active noise cancellation, which is a huge added bonus. What stood out to me though when I first opened the box against the sea of wireless earbuds on the market was the actual case. The case itself doubles up as the charger, which is really the norm now for wireless earbuds, but the design is very intriguing. It's a near perfect circle, or a hockey puck people have described it as, but instead of a lid that we've seen on countless earbuds in the past, it does have a slide door. The door itself is semi-translucent as well, which gives you an idea of how much charge your headphones have left, as the battery light is on the inside of the actual case itself. Now, on the left hand side is a USB Type-C charging point, which to me gets absolute brownie points. It's nice to see the newer connection type come through on products like this. Next to that is a button that essentially switches the charging light on and off. I'm not sure whether it's linked to the actual power of the case, but click that once and you can see how much battery is left on the case itself. The case is also compatible with Qi charging and has a total playtime of around 24 hours. The headphones themselves will last for around 7 hours playtime before you need to stick them back in the case for a charge. It's not really the best by a long shot, unfortunately, on the headphones, but there are certainly far worse out there. Now, connecting the Aukey Key Series T18NCs to my phone was an easy feat to do. Both earbuds act as a single device, which is so advantageous over other brands. Some other earbuds have a master and a slave unit, and your phone needs to connect to the master before the slave can be picked up. Not here. As soon as I removed the Aukey earbuds from the case, my phone picked them up as a new device. I clicked the connect button and that's it, they connected straight away. The headphones are driven by a 13mm titanium coated dynamic driver, which promises to deliver accurate sound with superior clarity. They're not my words, that's marketing speak for you from Aukey, but jokes aside, these headphones sound absolutely fantastic. The audio is very separated and comes through crystal clear. The soundstage could be a little better, but at this point, I am definitely not complaining about the quality. There is also a surprisingly decent amount of bass that is very punchy and very precise and hardly overpowers the music you are listening to. Even at higher volumes, distortion is kept to an absolute minimum. One thing I did notice though is when the active noise cancellation kicks in, it adds a minimum amount of reverb to the music. That's the best way I can really describe it, especially in more acoustic-led tracks like Deep Blue Something's Breakfast at Tiffany's, for example, but this was no way off-putting. It still sounded very, very good. The active noise cancellation works extremely well too, and I never really noticed any kind of audible hiss that can occur with some cheaper active noise cancelling type headphones, but they are no Bose or Bowers and Wilkins headphones, that's for sure. Call quality is where these headphones shine as well. If you're speaking to someone on the phone, then you can hear them very clearly, and furthermore, both earbuds have microphones built into them, so you're heard clearly as well, as 2 different sources are picking up your voice. Now this is definitely an advantage with many wireless earbud manufacturers including only one microphone in the master earbud. I absolutely love the Aukey Key Series EP-T18NC wireless earbuds. It's not often you find such a decent sounding set of earbuds at a relatively decent price, and with the added ANC thrown in as a bonus, it's just an all-around decent package. The build quality is also absolutely solid, and I have no reason to think that these will break, especially the case lid, which is generally the most flimsy on wireless earbuds these days. The battery life is also above average by quite some way, but of course, we said that there are options out there if you want earbuds that last longer, but 7 hours is a decent enough time. One thing I want to mention though is the price. Now looking around the internet, I've seen them for around $150, and a quick Google search threw back results from Amazon US. Now I'm in the UK and the Aukey website says they're sold out. So I can't comment on UK pricing really, but rest assured if you do find these for around £130, they're still a decent set of earbuds at that price. I just absolutely cannot sing their praises enough. So thank you very much for checking out our video review of the ANC? AMC's The Walking Dead. So thank you very much for checking out our video review of the Aukey Key Series EP-T18NC wireless earbuds. That's a bit of a mouthful to say. If you enjoyed this review, then do hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and also let us know in the comments down below what you think about these headphones. If you've owned a pair of these or you're looking for wireless earbuds, let us know what you think about what we've said here today. As I said, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.